Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a Harrier paper airplane, and it should in the end look something like this. So for starters, we want to make a crease down here and make it accurate. Because this is the best paper airplane in the world, you want to make it the best paper airplane in the world. It's one of my personal favourites, the Harrier. I know it off by heart. Okay, now you've made your crease going down through the middle, you want to take these corners, put them down there into the middle. So, like so. We have it down like that. And then we take the other corner and do the same again. Down the line. Then it should end up like something like that. And then you want to take this tip down to the end like that and make sure it's touching the bottom and fold. And then you want to do what you just did before, and you take these corners and align them at the crease, like so. See. And do the same again. So at the moment it should look something like that. Again. And then it should look something like this. Now what you want to do, you want to take this piece here and take it up like that in the fold. Okay. See? Now it should look something like that. And you want to take it like that. Fold. Oops. It's so rubbish today. Okay, and then you want this this bit here come down to here, like so. Like that. And then do the same again on the other side. And there's your Harrier.